Okay, definitely still have some painting to do. On a couple of different pieces for sure. And yeah, glazing. You and me, babe. You and me, babe. There's just nothing else like you. We're ready to go. Got me some kiln glasses. You know you want some. With me, without. With me, without. With me, without. Name that movie. With me. Without. So seriously, these things are way cooler than I ever thought they would be. They're green. I'm looking out onto the, and I can still see through them. They're 5s. There's ratings or whatever, and they say 3 is good enough for kiln, but I got 5 because I could. They're for welding, I think, but they block and infrared radiation and all sorts of things that are bad for your eyes. My grandmother never used them. My grandmother has eye issues. So here's the cool thing. They really make a difference. I didn't think they would. They really do. So I linked these down in the description. The really cool thing about them, let's see if I can get them off, is that I can just, check it out. I don't necessarily have to put them on. I can, if I'm just checking, I can just pick them up off the shelf right here. Ta-da! Happy. Good, thanks. It's time to unload the kiln. I'm stoked, y'all. I am so stoked. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I can't get over it. Oh, wow, they're so sweet. Okay, so as per the regular way of things, we're gonna look at what is not so great first, and then you'll have this fantastic slideshow of everything that was great. But all in all, we didn't have that many snafus. This one had a crawling in the center there as well. It's on the side flower. This is the new flame red and the new mandarin orange on the door there and on the window. So flame red and mandarin orange. Flame red is, this is regular red that we've had for a long time, Speedball regular red, up next to flame red. So flame red is more orange than the red. Carmine, which is in the new packet, is more blue than the regular red. And look at this little guy. I love him. Well, I got this one in my hand. I have to give a huge shout out to Ann Ewing Rule, who has Little Street Pottery, and did a tutorial on a monarch butterfly. So I literally had my iPad sitting in front of me while painting, with her video on while painting this butterfly, and oh my gosh, I owe you so much. Thank you so much, Anne. The next time I go to Florida, we're gonna have to set something up. That's gonna be another year. She also recommends leaving it raw, so there's no overglaze on the top of that. There's no clear over that butterfly. And in that respect, I had several others that I wanted to try out that way. This doesn't have any glaze on it. And this is another butterfly one that doesn't have any glaze on it. I had one other butterfly. All told, I had 3 butterflies. Very excited about those. The other thing I decided to leave raw was these flowers, because they were right in the middle of this field of spearmint glaze, and I could wax this and then let the spearmint flow, doing a pour over, and that worked really, really super well. Violet is old, and then this one is the deep purple. Deep purple is just almost navy. So it's really blue based. It's still purple. It's that real deep purple. So that's the deep purple up next to the violet. And this is the amethyst up next to the violet. So, so that's very, very cool. And the yellow, the saffron yellow, is fantastic. I am so glad they came out with this saffron yellow, because the other Speedball yellow was very loud. So the yellow is loud. The saffron yellow is just turned down exactly the right amount. And oh my gosh, it's like butter. It's like butter, actually. And here it is glazed, and here it is raw. It looks so good. 3 refires out of all of these. Well, 4, the plate will be refired as well. 4 refires out of all of these. Oh my gosh. Blessed. Today, blessed. Thanks for coming. Y'all have a great day. this little fairy house has a swing set. Isn't that hilarious? I just love it. That's the swing set. Oh, it's gonna be so fun. Fantastic. I don't know if you can really see it, but